Hello friends, today I'm going to take the mirror backup. So I want to show you the one of the error invalid backup mirror specification. All mirrors must be have same number of members. Sir, if you see here, I am taking the backup to two different drives. One is C drive, another one is E drive, right? So now, but I am taking to the mirror only to the one mirror. I'm taking it. Now in this case, it is not possible. Now, how many drives, how many members that we have mentioned above here, the same number we have to mention. Now come here. Now mirror to disk is equal to, you have to mention this path, or you can remove this one, or you can comma text full underscore something like. Now if I use this command, now it will get success. Now F drive is full, not underscore. I will change it to the C drive. Yeah. Now if I click execute, what is that? F. Where is the F here? Yeah. Now I will change it to the D. Yep. Now it will success. See? So to avoid this error, how many members that we have mentioned about to mirror the same number we have to mention here. So here the drive should be different. So I am taking to the C drive with this name. In the E drive, it is the name is same. Name can be anything. Okay. Now in this drive, the name is same. Now here I have taken the C drive, but the naming BAK file name is different. Okay. So like drive should be like whatever all the drives should be in a queue, or like BAK file or name should be in a queue. Okay. So this is how you need to fix that all members should be in a queue error. I hope you may like this video. Thank you. Bye.